Now here we are having one more topic, that is profit and loss in the chapter percentage. So here I am going to tell you some important points for the profit and loss. In profit and loss, CP and SP, they are the most important things which we need. CP, cost price, and SP means selling price. CP means amount paid to buy an article. Amount paid to buy an article. And SP means amount for which article is sold. CP has its full form cost price, and the meaning of CP is amount paid to buy an article, and SP has its full form selling price, and the meaning is amount for which article is sold, is also known as SP, means selling price. Now here there is some formulas by which we can know how it is our profit or loss. So if SP means selling price is greater than CP, then there is profit. Example, if our selling price is 20,000, means if we have sold something in 20,000, but we have buy that article for only 15,000, so it's our profit. It's our 5,000 rupees profit, because we have sold the thing in 20,000 which we have bought in 15,000. As similar, if CP is greater than SP, then there is loss. Example, if I bought something in 20,000 and I sold it in 15,000, so it's my loss. It's my 5,000 rupees loss, because here our CP is greater than our SP, so it's our loss. So profit. Now we are having some formulas for profit. So profit means SP minus CP. To find profit, the formula is SP minus CP. And to find SP when there is profit, so the formula is CP plus profit. And to find CP when there is profit, SP minus profit. Now same we are having some formulas for loss. So loss is equal to CP minus SP. So SP, when we are having loss, we have to find SP, so our formula is CP minus loss. And when we have to find CP when we are having loss, SP plus loss. Now this all is done. Now we are having another thing, that is profit percentage. So profit CP into 100. And to find profit percentage or loss percentage, CP is very compulsory. Now loss percentage, the formula is same, but only we have to change the upper portion, that is profit and loss. Now here we are having some word problem related to profit and loss. So first word problem is, a shopkeeper bought a second-hand car for 1,50,000 and he spent rupees 10,000 on its painting and repair, and then he sold it for 2 lakh. Find its profit or loss. So first we will write all the details. and here CP means cost price is rupees 1,50,000, and the overhead charges or extra charges is rupees 10,000. Extra charges we have to add in cost price because this is the price that we are taking it from our pocket. So the total CP is rupees 1,60,000, and he has sold it means SP is rupees 2 lakh. So here we are having our profit because SP is greater than CP. Profit is equal to SP minus CP. So we will minus this both. Rupees 2 lakh minus rupees 1,60,000. So now we got our answer 40,000. So this 40,000 is our profit. Now we will do the related next sum. Now here we are having some word problems related to profit percent and loss percent. So our first question is CP. Our CP is given rupees 750, and our overhead charges or overhead expenses is given rupees 50, and our profit is given rupees 80. So here we have to find SP. So now we will plus this both CP plus overhead charges. So total CP is equal. So now here we are having our total CP rupees 800, and our profit is rupees 80. So now we will write the formula of gain percentage or profit percentage. CP into 100. Here we are having our CP. So our CP is rupees 800, and according to the formula we have to put here 100, 0 will be cut. So the answer is, and our profit we are knowing, so our profit percentage is 80 by 8. So our gain percentage is 10% of profit. Similar here we are having so many sums, and by this we have completed our chapter of percentage. And if you have any doubt regarding to this chapter percentage, you can comment it in the comment section. Thank you.